So it's Texas 2K week, and for those of you who don't know what that is, Texas 2K is a car meet that happens every year here in Houston. A bunch of cars come together and they all have races. It's a several-day event. It's really exciting. It's really fun. There's car meets at night, and when a bunch of car people get together, unfortunately some egos collide. Shenanigans happen. I just got sent this video of a fight that broke out at some gas station from one of the car meets. We're gonna react to it right now. Whoa, he pulls out a gun.
Started this earlier so you can know what happened.
Yeah, I don't know. He pulls out a gun and then he...
Get your man! Get your man!
Get your man!
This is so weak.
Oh man. His shirt's coming off too.
That's the weakest kick. This is so weak, bro.
I like how he pulls out a gun and then he puts it away and then he tries to fight him. Dude, he got his ass beat.
I mean, not really. He just fell on the ground.
Is he going again?
Oh, yeah, they're still going. Let's see. He must have been drunk or something.
Showed up there uninvited and was trying to race like his stock Mustang against people, and everybody was like, "No, bro, like go home. You're not supposed to be here." And then he got mad.
We actually want to try to find the victim of the fight, quote unquote, the guy in the gray Texas A&M shirt. If you guys know who he is, have him reach out to us. We want to give him a free tint job for handling that situation well. Like this video, comment, subscribe, share this video with everyone so hopefully he can see this and he'll reach out to us.